In today's video, we are diving deep into the SoFi stock and why it stands out in the world of fintech. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. With the end of Q4 just 3 days away and Q4 earnings about 5 weeks out, it's time to examine the next big step for SoFi. Over the past few days, I've shared my base case scenario for revenue predictions. Today, we're taking it up a notch to my bull case scenario, and these numbers are not just ambitious. They're grounded in solid data and realistic expectations. Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. Let's talk about why this matters. SoFi is consistently surpassing Wall Street's expectations. Analysts have been slow to recognize the company's potential, but SoFi has proven time and again that it's light years ahead. The upcoming 2025 guidance will only solidify this trend, showing Wall Street that SoFi is not just a competitor, but a leader. Over the past year, we've seen SoFi increase rates, improve products, and surpass expectations. This trend is only set to continue, leaving legacy banks struggling to keep up. SoFi is breaking records every quarter, setting new benchmarks in assets, deposits, and user base growth. Every quarter brings a surge in members, deposits, and overall user engagement. This relentless growth isn't just impressive, it's transformative. SoFi is one of the fastest-growing digital banks in the U.S., with an unlimited upside. Beyond traditional banking, it offers a software-as-a-service SaaS product through its Galileo tech platform. Over the last 3 years, Galileo has transitioned from serving small fintechs to becoming a robust solution for large legacy banks. This shift is monumental, positioning SoFi as a hybrid fintech powerhouse. Talks are underway with several banks to bring them onto the Galileo platform. Landing even one of these deals will unlock enormous revenue potential. When this happens, and it's not a matter of if, but when, SoFi's valuation will skyrocket, turning it into the next Amazon AWS of fintech. Institutional investors have already noticed. We're seeing record-breaking levels of institutional ownership. SoFi is on the brink of achieving full-year profitability after years of significant losses. This milestone is a game-changer, signaling a major shift in the company's trajectory. Early investors who have been patient during the low levels of the past 2 years are about to reap substantial rewards. SoFi went public in late 2020, and its journey since then has been nothing short of remarkable. After acquiring a banking license in early 2022, SoFi's assets have grown exponentially. From $2 billion in assets at the time of acquiring the license, SoFi has climbed to $29.2 billion by Q3 2024, moving from a ranking of 449th to 67th among U.S. chartered commercial banks. Over the next 5 years, SoFi is poised to join the top 10 or 20 banks, potentially surpassing $100 billion in assets. The growth trajectory is clear, and it's unstoppable. Let's delve into the Q4 revenue predictions. Wall Street analysts have projected a decline in revenue for Q4 compared to Q3, but this couldn't be further from reality. SoFi isn't going backward, it's surging forward. In Q3, SoFi's quarter-over-quarter revenue growth was $92 million, a record-breaking achievement. Analysts are projecting a decline of $20 million for Q4, but my predictions show a significant increase. The numbers speak for themselves. When comparing SoFi to other companies under $4 billion in revenue, the difference is striking. Competitors like Rocket Labs, Robinhood, Lending Club, and others have struggled to keep up with SoFi's growth. SoFi outpaces them all in quarter-over-quarter revenue growth. In Q3, SoFi's revenue grew by $92 million compared to its peers, who experienced minimal gains or even declines. This consistent growth solidifies SoFi's position as a leader in the fintech space. Looking ahead to 2025, SoFi is positioned for explosive growth. The company's hybrid fintech model combining banking and SaaS sets it apart. Based on current valuations of similar companies, SoFi stock could easily reach $38 or even $49 if it achieves the growth expected in 2025. With a potential 35% revenue growth next year, these projections are not just optimistic, they're attainable. Now, let's break down the base case and bull case scenarios for Q4 revenue. In the base case, lending revenue is projected at $380 million, Galileo at $110 million, and financial services at $258 million. This would result in total revenue of $718 million, already a significant beat compared to Wall Street's estimate of $676 million. But the bull case is where things get exciting. Lending revenue jumps to $400 million, Galileo to $112 million, and financial services to $278 million, resulting in a total revenue of $760 million. This represents a 28% year-over-year growth and a $100 million beat on Wall Street estimates. SoFi's Q3 performance was extraordinary, with a $92 million quarter-over-quarter revenue jump. While Q4 may not match that pace, a $70 million quarter-over-quarter increase is entirely realistic. This consistent growth underscores SoFi's ability to deliver exceptional results quarter after quarter. The company is set to make a bold statement with its Q4 earnings, proving once again why it's a force to be reckoned with in the fintech world. In summary, SoFi is leading the charge in digital banking and fintech innovation. Its growth trajectory, hybrid business model, and consistent performance make it a standout stock. Whether you're an investor, a fintech enthusiast, or just curious about the future of digital banking, SoFi is a name to watch. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to track this incredible journey. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.